Welcome back. Our story continues here in Bangkok, Thailand. However, somewhere in the big bag, looks like we're going somewhere. So let's go find out where that is. An adventure if you can. That's right, we're at an airport. Where are we going?
About to leave the station.
So where are we going?
Singapore.
Singapore. What's there? What's there? What's in Singapore?
Singapore is Singapore.
Hopefully there are roller coaster rides in Singapore, but it might rain.
Yeah.
It's nighttime.
No rain.
Hopefully.
Yes.
Let's go find out.
You will see. Let's go.
อย่าแจ้งรถขับนิรภัยข้ามยูเทิร์นทูยูท่านสามารถใช้โทรศัพท์มือถือได้ตลอดเที่ยวบิน
Welcome to Singapore.
Welcome to Singapore. Yes.
So everyone wants to know, how much of a baby was I on the flight?
You are a little bit up. I can see his face. A little. Yes.
So she kept checking out the terror in my face pretty much every time we hit a bump.
Yes.
The flight actually wasn't that bad. The flight from Japan to Thailand was way worse than this one. So she took care of me. It was good. All right, let's go off this plane and, find the most important thing up when you get off the plane always, a bathroom.
Ladies and gentlemen, your bell number will be...
So, always you learn something new when you travel a new place. So when you land here, or maybe even 3 days before, because apparently you can do that, you do the SG arrival visa, or declaration, or you just stand around with everybody else that didn't do it like we just did. Well, we made it. Welcome to Singapore.
Welcome.
Good morning from Singapore. It's time to go play. Hello.
Here. We go here and move to here.
So as we traverse another metro here, I just wanted to point out that in Singapore you're like 10 flights underground. Maybe not 10, but it was a lot. Like seriously, we climbed many flights of stairs, 5 escalators, maybe not 5. But anyway, we're deep underground. So there you go. There's your point. Let's get the train. So we like amusement parks. We're gonna go ride some. Let's go. I don't know if we can bring the camera, so this might be the last video, but we'll find out.
Let's go.
the Battlestar Galactica, both sides, the Cylon and the human. Which side did you like better?
Cylon.
Cylon. So that's the one where your feet dangle. It was really fast.
Very fast.
Very fast. And then we rode the human one and it was kind of like, okay, it's okay. Yeah, I'm glad we did it in that order. So that's the recommendation. Ride Cylon first.
Yes.
We're gonna go ride something else and then we'll come back because we can't take anything on the rides. All right, so we just rode Revenge of the Mummy. And don't believe the sign for how long it takes. When we walked in there, it said 5 minutes and we were in there an hour.
And when we out is 30-minute ride.
Yes, don't believe it. Way longer. Good ride, pretty smooth. Reminds me kind of like a Spider-Man, something like that. What did you think?
It's really good. You have to throw back a little bit.
Yeah, it throws you backwards, which is kind of cool. I mean, just a good movie in general. So if you like the movie, come watch it. Let's go see what's next. Welcome to Jurassic Park. So that was the
Jurassic Park?
Yeah, pterodactyl thing, called something else, but it was fun. So short. I think the whole ride is 55 seconds maybe. You basically go up a hill, go around the bend, and come around, but it's fast. All right, we're gonna go get wet.
Let's see.
You don't look very wet.
Not quite.
Right. But somebody on that ride got really, really wet.
Yes.
More than that. We chose seats properly, luckily.
Yes, very lucky.
Very lucky. All right, let's go see what's next. So how was the Puss in Boots ride?
Just the simple things that ride.
Yeah? Very simple.
Yes.
Should we go ride something more fun? All right, we're gonna ride the Transformers. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh. So as you saw, like the Transformers was dead. So we stumbled across this thing called Lights, Camera, Action, which was actually kind of cool. Like you go in there and they like simulate a hurricane. It was cool. Sit towards the end of the line if you don't want to get wet. That's the advice. Think Transformers is ready? Check. So that made us dizzy.
Yes, the Transformer.
Yes, dizzy. And it's raining. One more ride if it's not crazy busy. So the ride was like 10 minutes wait. It was awesome. Highly, highly recommend Cylon. The Cylon ride. It is the best ride in the park in my opinion. Like really, really good. I mean, what do you think the best ride is?
It is very, very cool, and even in the light rain, is pretty cool.
Fastest, definitely the fastest ride in the park. Like we rode that first and we rode that last, and I'm like, man, we should ride that again.
I ride with number 5.
Yep, number 5. Johnny 5, keep me alive. Let's go do something else. So since I have my own personal tour guide here in wonderful Singapore, she just took me to the shipbuilding that neither one of us know what it's called, but it's the shipbuilding and you can't miss it because it's Singapore.
Yes.
Now we're going to see some more downtown Singapore sights before somewhere pretty. Now, city is cool, but I don't know if I would say pretty. Let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Security patrol in progress.
Check it out. There's a robot security guard. Do you have a shocking thing, robot?
security control and
All right, amazing tour guide. What is this thing called?
Merlion Park.
Merlion Park. Anybody has trouble with pronunciation? It's this guy. You know, just hear me say breakfast. All right, let's go find something else. Now this guy right here, he's got the shop. Look at this thing. Check this thing out. All right, so the silhouettes are talking. So in the next list of cool places in Singapore that Pal is taking us, where is this?
Garden by the Bay.
Gardens by the Bay. And apparently in 6 minutes, they're gonna do a cool Christmas show because, you know, that's what happens when you're here around Christmas. So let's watch some of that.
Unveil a dazzling showcase of lights and musical treats. Tonight we present Garden Waltz. So pick a spot, grab your cameras, and enjoy the show.
All right, so what'd you guys think? That was just one day in Singapore. We did a lot. We walked a lot. There was lots of stepping happening. And my feet are like, there was lots of stepping happening. But we're gonna say goodbye for tonight and thank you for watching. Until tomorrow.
See you.
Bye. So our time in Singapore is already over, I know, really quick. So we're back at the airport, but we're going to show you a really cool thing here after we get through this line.
You see the back of us?
Back what? Oh yeah, that thing. Look over there. Isn't that cool? Somewhere over there? I don't know. We'll show it to you. Alright, let's all collectively laugh at the smoking area, non-smoking area, and the smoking area. It's right next to each other. That makes a lot of sense, right? Alright, so we're getting on this plane again. Do you think I'm going to be a baby again? Definitely for sure. Let's find out. And that was our quick trip to Singapore. Let's find out what's happening next on this adventure. Probably, yeah. Yep.